Hey guys, this is Hyundai Creta E Plus model with 1.4 liter diesel engine, and this one is Hyundai Verna EX model with 1.6 liter diesel engine. So are you confused in between these two cars? Which one to buy? Should I go for that compact SUV or that sedan? So that's a badly confusion though, isn't it? Because both these cars comes in the same price bracket, around 10 to 11 lakhs. So guys, first of all, thank you for tuning in Yumian Cars. I can help you out in your buying decision. So let's start. If you are more passionate and crazy about driving and wants to play hard, especially on the highways, so Creta 1.4 is not for you. It's the one with 1.6 liter diesel engine that produces 128 bhp of power. So you can simply feel the punch, that rocketness, and that power delivery is superb. Instead of this, it can return a maximum fuel economy of 25 km per liter on the highways, whereas in the city it would be around 16 to 17 km. So that machine is a great mixture of power as well as fuel efficiency. Now as soon you enter the cabin of Creta of this particular model, you can see there are many aftermarket fitments done to this model, like this 10-inch infotainment touchscreen, as you will not get any stock music system with this model, but it only comes with the 4-door speakers right over here. And you can see the steering is also leather wrapped here, which you generally not get in the base model. Look at the steering mounting controls. They are being installed in just 1500 rupees and they work so well, apart from this fake cruise control button. But one thing is good, all these audio control brighten up so well in blue color during night. Quality of the plastic material is very soft in both these cars, but you can get the scratches so easily. Well, the seats are nice and comfortable, and these bolsters hold you well during tight cornering. Seat covers, center armrest, and the door pads looks all good and being nicely stitched by Auto Shades Delhi. So utility wise, the door bins have enough space to put your money bottles here. So there are lots of cup and bottle holders and storage spaces for your phone and other knickknacks. Glove box is also of decent size, not so big and not air cooled. So the Creta car-like cabin is roomy and spacious. You can see the legroom is more than enough and headroom is pretty generous. 3 person can sit here easily, but in Verna you feel little cramped at the rear, while the center armrest is missing here, and rear AC vents are given in both these cars with better cooling. Down the side we have these 16-inch tires fitted with these alloy wheels. They look so cool here, and there are many aftermarket fitments done to this E Plus model, like these roof rails and door visors, and this window chrome lining over the window line. Door caps are also being placed over the door handles, and look at this chrome side bidding. It looks so cool here. And now let's check the boot space of this car. A 400 liter of boot space is provided here, which isn't the deep like Verna, but the design, that shape is very useful. You can increase this boot space with the ease of this button. You can tumble down this seat and look at the boot space now. Isn't that so cool? Very practical though for the long journey. If the road conditions are not good and you face lots of speed breakers and those speed humps during your daily commute, now there can be a problem with the Verna. While with a sitting of 5 person it can touch the underbelly, but with a sitting of 3 or maybe 4, depending on your driving condition, it can easily tackle. But why should take a chance if you have the options? That's the Creta, which easily passes any kind of speed breakers or those big humps with a ground clearance of 190 mm. So if you are a city driving and driving conditions are very poor around you and you need more leg space and need a fuel efficient compact SUV, then definitely you should buy a Creta. City driving with this compact SUV is so good, and thanks to that ultra light steering, while high sitting positions give a commanding view over the road, while it is being blamed all time that 1.4 liter engine is underpowered. Well, let's burn some fuel here. As I mentioned that 1.4 liter diesel engine produces 89 bhp of power at 4000 rpm. I can notice here that power delivery is linear. Definitely there is a punch during sudden acceleration. Up to a speed of 100 km, engine is doing all good, but after that it gets noisy and increases the vibration level. While on the other hand, 1.6 liter engine produces 128 bhp of power. So that's the difference between these two cars, and the power delivery, the torque, that rocketness is there in this with this 1.6 liter engine. So definitely there is a punch here. Now both these cars comes with the 6-speed manual gearbox. Gear shifting is so smooth, gear throws are short and they are pretty accurate. While lots of people complained about the braking, that EBD particularly in these cars. Now I also come to know that there is some kind of rattling sound when you do immediate braking or hard braking generally. What you have to do, you have to continuously press that pedal a little deeper even after that rattling sound, so that you may able to stop that vehicle in a particular short distance. So with this, thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching this video, and to get unbiased and honest reviews, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button to get the all notifications.